made to 12:15 before. Well, 12:17 before, but it was just luck. And I got stuck. Okay. Every single 25 times I make it to 1,010. That means every single time I make it 25. If I do it 25 times, I'll be able to afford this. Versus, let me see. That base is doo-doo. Fluffy snow. And then you place some of these. Because these are my best blocks. It says that it only has 250, but that's in chapter 1. Or chapter 2, or chapter 3. I don't know what chapter that's used for. I'm just surprised I wouldn't be in chapter 4. If I didn't, I would still be in chapter 4, and that's boring. I'm gonna have some harder guys. Well, Bahamut's already hard. I want some harder guys than clowns. They really are just a bunch of clowns. That's the name. Okay. Let's see how many waves this can get us. Probably like 1. Will die in this wave. I'm not gonna go like that. I'm gonna go. Probably been one chapter 4 than any of chapters. I've literally been in chapter 4 for like a year. I'm actually surprised and happy. Why did I not think of this base? This base is really OP. Oh wait, I didn't have it in chapter 5 stuff or chapter 4, chapter 3, or chapter 2. In our last video when we got chapter 6, no one expected that. Or some people did. I just have a lot of stuff in chapter 4 because it literally took me so long. Like this is long. It was at wave 1060. I just a little bit touch. I'm gonna use all of these tips down. Go! I don't know how this guy is. we need to place stuff there. I'm gonna trap him. Good. I'm not helping you. I help too much people in chapter 2, chapter 1, chapter 3. I'm not helping. I did not really chapter 3 because the bosses are still pretty strong. And I cannot beat the bosses. More harder than I thought. My hand's hurting. I'm gonna rush for left. Okay then. Ba-ba-dee-ba-ba-da. Okay. I'm done. I didn't talk for a while because whenever I build, I don't really talk. Okay. So now, let's see what's in stock. Nothing good, like always. Okay guys, the end of the video. I hope you like and subscribe, and bye.